Hello, good evening, family and friends. We must tend to the small things. There are things that are still working against us, but the power of our love can help bullies and angry people be less afraid. We must follow our own light. There are periods of prosperity and abundance coming our way. A lot of wrongs are going to be made right in our lives, and this is coming in quickly. We must trust the magic of the universe, expect the unexpected. Watch and wait. There's a happy surprise coming our way. Family wishes are coming true, and they say something very good is about to happen. We are going to be protected and guarded, and there is security and a helping hand from the heavens. We are getting a warning of a problem either now or in the near future. It is coming in. It's fated to come in for us, and it's for us to find out the truth in a matter that is affecting our balance. It's time for a beginner's mind. We must be creative. Go out there, cook, swim, walk, move your body, get active. A meeting with a stranger could be important, and we must think before we judge the situation. There is great prosperity on the horizon for us and success. There's an increase in our monies, which is going to bring us balance, and we'll be able to help others. And we're going to have peace and mind and harmony. This is going to end the anxiety and stress that we have in our lives at the moment. There's good news coming, and the sun is the next card, which brings us happiness and bright prospects. Have a good evening, everybody. I love you all. Night, night.